Hi there, I'm Michelle and welcome to Grace Woods 55 Plus Villas, offering the perfect retreat for those seeking an active and fulfilling lifestyle in their forever home. Our villas are designed specifically with the needs and desires of active adults in mind. Grace Woods 55 Plus Villas is the ideal place to retire, allowing you to spend your days doing what you love most. Come with me, I can't wait to show you around. Take advantage of our resort-style amenities designed to promote health and wellness. From a clubhouse and fitness center where neighbors can gather for social events and activities, such as pickleball, to meticulously landscaped grounds, or relax by the community fire pit, there's always something to do in this vibrant community. Located just minutes from shopping, dining, major medical centers, I-95, Route 7, and Route 543, your day just got that much easier. Looking for some recreational fun nearby? Enjoy a round of golf at Bully Rock Golf Course. How about an outdoor adventure? Take your pick of one of the many nearby parks. Take in the views and enjoy incredible sunsets as you take a stroll on the Havre de Grace Promenade. Dine at local restaurants such as Olive Tree or the Brass Tap. For an easy date night option, head over to Broom's Bloom Dairy, which features delicious old-fashioned ice cream, live entertainment, and so much more. Head on over to Lido's Field at Ripken Stadium, enjoy movie night at Horizon Cinemas, or spend a family fun day at Great Wolf Lodge and Water Park, only a few miles away in Perryville. Need to do some quick shopping for the week? No problem. Grace Woods offers many nearby shopping options, such as Wegmans, ShopRite, Target, and quaint local shops in downtown Aberdeen and Havre de Grace. Are you familiar with Ryan Homes? As one of the top builders in the nation, Ryan Homes has a team of experts that will walk you through every step of the home buying process, making it easy and exciting. We are here to support you, providing an excellent customer service experience through your home buying journey and for years after. Buying new means saving money on costly home repairs, low monthly bills with energy-efficient systems, and the peace of mind that comes with a new home warranty. Thank you for exploring Grace Woods 55 Plus Villas with me today. You're going to love your new community. Schedule your visit to learn more. We can't wait to welcome you home.